Right guys, it's camp cook-up time, and you know what that means. Go grab yourself a drink, kick back on the lounge, and enjoy this little feast. A little bit different again today. This one's coming from home, or at least the preparation being done at home, so that when I get to camp, put them on the barbecue and the cook-up will happen. So, shotgun shells. Not sure if you've seen them on the internet or not. They seem to be fairly popular. So grab some pasta shells. They're going to act as your tube to store all your food in. Go down to your butcher, grab some really fresh sausages. I've got some Italian sausages and also some plain sausages. So what I'll do with them is I'll take the skin off, get it into a bowl and mix and stir that up. Put some grated cheese in there. Pick the cheese that you like, whatever flavour. I'll probably put some cream cheese in there as well, just to take away from all that meaty flavour and overpowering of too much meat. So we'll mix it up a little bit. Then on the outside of the shell, we'll wrap some bacon. Just be careful when you're wrapping the bacon, you want a nice tight wrap around your shells, and you want it to be consistent from the top to the bottom. Then, so I've got some new rubs. Went out this morning, did a bit of shopping. I've got a smoky barbecue rub and also got a sweet and smoky barbecue. I might give that one a go actually, because when the cook's got about 10 minutes to go, probably going to paste it with a bit of maybe honey barbecue sauce. So hopefully that will all come together. Got some nice sausages here. Just want to get rid of the skin. Try to go down and see your local butcher. You can ask your butcher to just give you the mince without the sausage skin on it. Grab some cheddar cheese, or again, whatever cheese you like. I'm going to go with 2 big handfuls. You just want to mix that all up. So once you've got your mince and cheese all mixed up, just grab your cream cheese. Again, there's no measurements, do this to your own personal taste. I think I'll just go maybe half a tub. Okay. This is messy, hence why I'm wearing the gloves. So I'm just going to get the shells. I don't know if there's a right way of doing this, but you just want to just get it in there. And you want it to be full all the way down. At the end of the day, when you're eating this, you don't want to be just eating an empty shell. Take a little while to do all of them. no rush. As I said, we're doing this at home in preparation. I think these will be really good for just like an appetizer, middle of the day, or you've been out all day forward driving, tracking, and you come back to camp and you just don't feel like cooking. So it'll be just a lot easier just to throw these on the barbecue and let them cook while you have another drink and just relax. So that you can get rid of any air that's in there. So as I said, first time I've done this one. It is a bit messy. What you want to do, just grab your bacon, one of your shells, and just take a bit of time. Rightio. So they're all wrapped in bacon. What I probably would do next time is I'd probably freeze the bacon a little bit. Not so it's rock hard, but just so it's a little bit firmer to work with, because you actually want the bacon to be nice and tight. You want a generous bit of rub on each. So what I'll do is I'll turn each one of these. I'll get the rub on the other side as well. And then, as I said, probably minimum 4 hours in the fridge. And then take them to camp, put them in the barbecue, probably about 180 degrees for 40 minutes or so. Also going to put a barbecue glaze over it. So I'll cook them for half hour, 40 minutes. Then I'll put a barbecue sauce glaze over it for probably the last 5 minutes of the cook. Right guys, so just going to finish up the shotgun bullets. So I've started them at home, and now it's time to cook them. So I've got the barbecue on, it's heating up already. I've brought probably 8 out with me, I think. It's plenty, trust me. I didn't realise how much, 6 or 12 sausages in total, and a good lump of cheese, and the cottage cheese as well. I think I used cottage cheese. Didn't realise how far that would actually go. And it's probably made up 24 in total. So if you've got a big group coming over, football day, grand final, camping, where you've got a big group here and you want to do a cook up or a mid-afternoon appetizer, that's the one to do. It will fill everybody up. I did something wrong in the preparation, and the American viewers, you're going to criticise me, and that's okay. It's my first go at it. The bacon I used was too thick. Use a really thin bacon slice. I went down to Woolworths this morning and I seen that they've got American bacon, which looked really thin, or American streaky, I think it was called, and it looked really thin. That's what I'd recommend to use, because that way you can get a nice tight wrap around the pasta shell. So what I'm going to do now is, I've got a baking tray in there with a trivet. Just going to get a bit of baking paper, put these on, get them in the barbecue cooking. Probably 40 minutes, 45 minutes, and then I'm going to do a barbecue sauce over it, and I'm thinking about putting a bit of honey in there as well. Although the rub that I used on this is quite sweet, so I'm not sure if that's going to be overkill. Anyway, I'm going to give it a go and let's see how this turns out. As I said, I've got 8, which is going to feed half an army. And the barbecue I've already got heated up with the tray and also some baking paper. So we'll leave that in the barbecue, as I said, 40-45 minutes, and then we'll check on it. Let's just see how these shotgun pellets are working out, and I'm also going to put just barbecue sauce on them. Call them shotgun bullets. I'm not sure what I'm calling them actually, but probably another 10 minutes. So that's my first go at it. Right, the shotgun bullets, whatever I'm calling them, they're pretty much done. So what I'm going to do, because they're going to be so hot, I brought my skillet plate out, put it on the table. I'll move them onto that. Then I'll put them onto a dish. Serve them up. As I said, there's some campers over there, some guys and some young children. And I'll take a serve over to them as well. So just going to slice these up into bite size. Right guys, shotgun bullets. As I said, they're an appetizer. I overcooked again. I've shared a few of the other campers up there. Give them a go, guys. As I said, probably next time I'd use a thinner bacon, just so I could wrap it a little bit better and a bit tighter. But other than that, that's spot on. Those new rubs that I've got, they're awesome. Give that a go. I'm sure you'll like it. A little bit of preparation work at home, but once you get to camp, straight on the barbecue, cook them up, everybody will be happy. Again guys, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, hit that little notification bell. It'll let you know there's another video coming up. There's plenty more to see and do, plenty more for me to cook up. I'm really enjoying this. Jump on board.